Woods Farm here, just back at the Volkswagen Kubelwagen project today. I'm gonna finish off the tunnel, sealing up the bottom. So there's one plate in the middle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and seam seal all the cracks and get this thing ready to paint. Because what I want to do is get the whole bottom painted and finished completely. That way, when I flip it over, it's going to be the last time it'll get flipped over, and I'm good to go. I can put the beam on the front, get wheels on this thing, get it as a rolling chassis, and I won't have to worry about the bottom again. Okay, so I got the bottom plate welded on. I just got to clean up the welds, and then I'm going to start doing some paint stripping with the wire wheel. I'm going to start with all the areas where I'm going to seam seal first, and then later tonight I'm going to take the wire wheel to the rest of the floor pans and get them stripped ready for tomorrow morning. And this is the product I'm using for seam sealing. Just went to Napa and picked this up. Okay, I got the seam sealer on. Everywhere there's two panels connected. That's where I put the sealer. Particularly in areas where I thought water and moisture might get in. So, and there was a little bit extra in the tube, so I did some other spots too. So now I just got to finish taking the paint off. You can see I've started. So I just got to go back at this with the wire wheel and get all the paint off, and then clean it up. I got to clean the back end up a bit, and then hopefully tomorrow morning I can put a coat of paint on this thing. Okay, just getting ready to paint. This is what I'm going to use, DOM 16. Pretty much the same idea as PUR 15, but it was locally available at the Napa store, and it was a little cheaper too. This was, I want to say $49 a can as opposed to $69. So I've got the whole thing prepped. Just going to do one last cleanup, and then I'm going to start painting. I'm just going to apply it with a brush. Okay, there it is. That's the first coat. I sound like Darth Vader because I'm wearing a respirator. There's a lot of fumes with this product, but the good news is that's half a can. So I'm going to get away with being able to use one can for 2 coats. I was really worried about running out, so I bought 2, and then I went back and got a 3rd can. So the good news is I'm going to be able to return those, get my money back. So it's kind of a glossy coat, but that's fine. You're not going to see it, and I'm really concerned about making sure this bottom part is well protected.